Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Fonts in your Flutter app. So let's start with it. So what you're seeing here is the basic code which you get when you just create a new Flutter project. And here I have deleted the code for my home page class since we are going to define it in our own way. So in order to use Google Fonts, you'll need a package called Google Fonts. So now let us search it. Google Fonts Flutter, and then click on the first link, and then you can go to the installing section, and now you need to copy and then paste it in the pubspec.yaml file. So since I have done this already, I won't be doing it. So you need to paste it here, and after that you need to save this file, which will automatically install it for you. And after it is done, now you are free to use it. So now what I'll do is I'll create a file and we'll name it as fonts.dart, and in this first I'll import the material.dart, after which I'll import Google Fonts since we are going to use it. And I'll make my class extend stateless widget and I'll name it as fonts, and here instead of container I'll return scaffold and provide an app bar as well, and in that I'll give title as Google Fonts within the text widget. So now we need to provide body, and in this body, I will assign the body later. First let me save this and I'll use it in the main.dart file, and in order for our app to show this, we need to import the fonts.dart file, and I'll do that directly by writing fonts and waiting for the drop down menu to appear. And now you can see that it has been imported automatically. Otherwise you can just type it and then use it, that's not an issue. And let us wait for it to perform the hot reload. And you need to remember that you need to go to run and then click run without debugging, after which you can see those changes getting those changes in your app. It is still performing the hot reload, so let's wait for some time. With Google Fonts as the title, so now let's give or assign text to the body, and now we can just write as text. I'll just write as Google Fonts once again, and here I'll wrap it within the center widget so that it looks cool. And I'll wrap this within a card, and then I'll assign elevation of around 20, and then I'll assign it a color, and you can assign it anything. For now I'll just use the teal, and now let's see the changes. And after performing the hot reload, you can see that we have a card and Google Fonts appear on it, but it is a simple text. So now we can use a variety of text or fonts. So for that, what you need to do is just type style, and in that now you can use Google Fonts dot, and after that you'll have a number of fonts which you can use. For example, here I'm using the Pacifico, and similarly you can use various font styles which you want. Just you can check that out, and let's save it. So now you can see that the font has changed and this is a cool font. So now I want to increase the font size. So I'll just type font size and here I'll make it to 50. And also I'll provide a padding around this widget and assign it to the value of edge insets dot all and 50. Okay, let me save this. So now you can see that we have a card on which we can see Google Fonts, and we have assigned the font style of Pacifico with a font size of 50. And when you just hover your mouse on this, you can find that you have the various options, like you can assign the color, you can assign the background color, font size, font weight, word spacing, foreground, background, like all those things. And you just have to experiment with that. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching my video, and if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.